Hello everyone, I am Hemantan Patil. So in my previous video I was explained about Docker, and in my previous video I was explained about the difference in between image and container, and after that I have installed Docker inside my laptop. So as of now I can run Docker images in my laptop. So in this video I will explain the Docker commands. So the first command will help to run a Docker image. So here we are pulling the images from the Docker registry. So we are pulling a Docker image from the Docker registry. So this image is nginx image. Okay. So first I will explain this command, and after that I will showcase this command in my terminal. So the first command is docker run -d. So here we are running a Docker image, so that's why we need to write docker run -d. So here -d means so that Docker image will run in the background. So that's why we, we need to write -d, and after that we need to give one specific name for that container. So here I am giving a specific name. So that name is my first container, and after that so I am writing -p. So -p, with the help of this parameter, we are connecting the port of my laptop into the web server. So here 808 is the port, here the 808 is port number of my laptop, and 80 is that web server protocol. So that is okay, 80. So nginx. So first I will run that command docker run -d and name my first container, and after that what we need to write -p 8080 80. So I want a image of nginx. This spelling is correct, nginx. Yeah, nginx. Yeah. So this image is running. So suppose if you want to see that image, you need to write docker ps. So here you will get all the information related to that image, like image name, create time, and status, is it off or on. So, and I have also downloaded one application in my laptop. So that application name is orb stack. So okay, so it's just like docker desktop application, but as compared to docker desktop application, so this application is very lighter. So that's why I downloaded this application. So I will go into that application. Okay, so I will open that. So here we will see that image, my first container. So suppose if I want to open that image, so we need to click on this link. So I can open this. Yeah, welcome to nginx. And then yeah, so then suppose if I want to stop this container, I need to write docker stop my first container. Yeah. So when I start this container in status command, you can see up. So after stopping, so it will be off. Okay, so after that I will write docker ps. So here see, so as of now, so this container image is off. So after that I will start once again. sorry. Yeah, after that I will write ps. Yeah, it's up once again. So, and another thing we want to understand, suppose if you want to delete or remove any image, so first you need to stop that image, and after that you need to delete. So without stopping an image you cannot delete. So now I will write docker rm and container name, my first container. Yeah, stop. Yeah, it's saying first you need to stop that image, and after that you can able to delete or remove. Yeah, so first I will stop docker stop my first container, and after that I will delete. Yeah, it's deleted. So I will verify by going into that orb stack. So suppose if that image exists, so that image is still running. If that image does not exist, that means that image is removed. So here we can't see any images, so that means that image is removed. Yeah, this is all about some docker commands. We have seen docker run, docker start, and docker rm. So before removing, please note this one: before removing any image, first stop that image.